Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing a really fun one. This is going to be if I was stranded on an island and I could only have one makeup product from each category with me. These are the ones that I would choose to have with me. Shout out to my beautiful subscriber Fiona for giving me the idea for this. I absolutely love it. So thank you. But yeah, this is gonna be a super fun video. I had so much fun picking like my favorite of favorite products to share with you guys. So that's what it's gonna be all about. Before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, join the family. Thank you so much if you do. But if you wanna see my products that I would be stranded on an island with, stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right guys, we can just jump right in because I do have a few products here. So I want to kind of get through this and kind of tell you what the products are, why I'm choosing that. So maybe we'll go in order of like how I apply the products to my face and go from there. So the first product is primer, or I guess product category is primer. If I had to choose one primer to bring anywhere with me, it would be the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Primer. This is like my holy grail primer. You cannot go wrong with this. It just like wipes away any imperfections that you have on your face, makes your makeup last all day long, and it just looks so freaking good every time. So of course I would choose this one. Next category is foundation. This is probably my favorite category, one of my favorite categories, because I just love foundation products so much. I love trying new ones, and this was a very hard one. I love a lot of foundations, and this was like a pretty close tie between a few different ones, but I chose this specific one because I feel like this is the best all-around foundation. Like you could wear this down, you can make it look a little bit more casual because it doesn't feel like makeup. It's very thin, but it still gives you a medium coverage. Or you can dress it up and make this like a full glam foundation because it will still cover things up. It gives you like this beautiful glow that like not many other foundations give. It's just all around the best of the best, lasts all day long, looks so beautiful on so many different skin types and tones, and I just cannot get enough. This is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I've had this for years and years, and I said this in a recent video, but I go through phases of like, I'll use this all the time, and then I kind of relax on it, and then I use it again all the time, and then I relax on it. Now I'm in one of my phases where I'm using this non-freaking stop, and every time this happens, I'm reminded of like, this is why I love it so much, because my skin looks so flawless every single time I put this on, even if whatever I have going on underneath is not that great. So I cannot recommend this enough. I would choose this every day of the week, so that's my choice. Next is concealer. So if I had to choose one concealer, it would be the Dior Backstage Concealer. Oh wait, maybe I should tell you the shades. I have the Pat McGrath in light medium 14, and it looks so good on me every time. The Dior Backstage Concealer is in 2N. I think this is the perfect shade for me. I wear this concealer pretty much every time I put my makeup on. I'll use it if I'm like not even wearing any makeup and I have a couple blemishes I just want to cover up. I'll just like dot it on my face and like blend it in, and it's perfect. You can do casual everyday look with this. You can do full glam with this. Like it's just such a versatile concealer, and it looks so good every time. No creasiness, lasts all day long, really brightens your skin up wherever you're applying it. It's just so good. So I love it. Next is a cream bronzer. This is like my liquids creams choice. It is the Too Faced Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick in Chocolate Caramel. I find myself grabbing for this one almost every single time now when I'm not trying a new product. If I have like a special event that I'm going to be doing bronzer for, this chisels out my cheekbones and like warms them up and bronzes my face at the same time, unlike anything else. It's so easy to blend in. It smells amazing. It looks like perfected every single time without really having to put much effort into it at all. It's just the kind of product that you can literally move and mold to fit exactly what you want out of a bronzer, and I just love it. Like I love everything about this so much, and I have so many bronzer products. You guys know this. So this was a tough one, but it's definitely this one. I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing all of these products right now, actually. The liquid / cream blush that I would choose time and time again is the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Orgasm. Also wearing it right now. A very, very light layer. But this, oh my gosh, every single time I wear this and I take pictures, I'll look back at the pictures at a later date and I'm like, what blush do I have on in this picture? It looks so good. And every time it's this one. It just has the prettiest peachy pink color to it. It gives you a really beautiful flush of color without giving you like clown makeup, like where it's like too much. Like you could go a little bit heavier handed with this if you wanted to, and it would still look like beautiful and natural and just blend and melt into your skin to give you that perfected blush look. Like I love this stuff so much. It looks so, so good every time. I cannot recommend it enough. This is for sure my winner. Next is setting powder. I for sure would choose this Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I love a lot of different setting powders, but this is the one that whenever I have used it, it's just given me the perfect airbrushed skin look without taking away from what's underneath it. Like I feel like when I put this on over my liquids and creams, it doesn't erase what I've done with those products. It just kind of makes them better, if that makes sense. Like it just sets everything that I need to set without taking away from the color, the depth, the shine, the everything that the other products give me. And this gives me more of that kind of poreless, perfected look. So I love this. And it always makes my skin look and feel like silk. So I'm obsessed with this stuff. Next is a powder bronzer. This is newer to my collection, but I use it literally every single time I bronze my skin with a powder. This is the Dior Forever Nude Bronzer. It's in the shade 30 Tan Matte. This is all you could ask for and more out of a bronzer. It is like a mattified bronzer, but it doesn't make your skin look matte. Like I feel like it still brings life to my cheeks and to my forehead and wherever I'm applying it. It doesn't take away from like the glow. If I have a glow to my skin, it just adds even more perfection to it. Like it's matted down, but it's not matte, if that makes sense. It's the perfect amount of color as well. Like it'll give you that sculpted bronzy look without looking muddy or cakey or anything. It's just the perfect mix, and I love the packaging. I love it. So worth the money, so worth it. If I had to choose one blush, I always find myself going back to this powder blush. It's the Gucci Blush Debut. This is in Bright Coral. Every time I wear this, I get so many compliments. Every time I wear it, I feel like my cheeks look absolutely airbrushed, and they give me the perfect like rosy, pinky, peachy flush of color. It always just looks like this is like meant to be on my face. I don't know what it is. There's just something about this one that I'm like fully obsessed with, and I just cannot get enough. So I highly recommend. For a highlighter, there's so many that I love, but I really love the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect highlighter. This is in Champagne Glow. I just feel like this one gives you the perfect glowy highlightery look without giving like glittery. I don't like it when a highlighter looks glittery, when it looks fake. I like it when something looks like I put it on my face, but it's like that wet kind of glow. Like it's like I'm glowing from within, but it's like peeking out at you. And that's exactly what this does. It's just such a beautiful highlight every single time, and I cannot get enough. And this is like a reusable package too. If you use this a lot and you run out, you could just get a new like pan inside. So I love that. Love the details. Setting spray. Of course, Charlotte Tilbury. This one is actually like pretty much empty. I have a few drops left, so I need to refill. But this is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I have said time and time again, and I'll say it every time, this is like cement for the face. Like this will set your makeup without taking anything away from it, but it will make your makeup stay on all day long. It is literal cement for your face, and I cannot recommend it enough. For eyeshadow, if I had to choose one palette, Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 palette. These are all matte shades, but this is every matte shade that you could ever want in your life. Like, I use this every time I do my eyeshadow. I did it for my wedding. I did it for my friend's wedding. I do it for all my friends for any kind of events, for me for any kind of events. And then if I want to add like a little bit of a shine, I can always just throw on a little Charlotte Tilbury highlight on a stranded island. But for sure, this one I definitely recommend. Brow product, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, medium brown. I use this pretty much every time I do my eyebrows. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. It's a very versatile product and it's just such a good one. Like, it's a classic. I really can't live without it. For a mascara, you guys already know, I'm sure you could have guessed. Actually, before I say it, please comment what you think I'm choosing for mascara. If you guys have been with me for a while, you have to know what I'm gonna say, but please take a guess anyways, and then come back. Okay, so it is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This is my all-time favorite. It is my weakness. It's always what I go back to. This is my just foolproof, I know I'm gonna look good when I put this on kind of mascara, and it never fails me, so I really cannot recommend this one enough. And then for lips, last category. So for lip liner, I'm going with Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil Wherever Walnut. It looks so good on me every time. Like, it matches really well with the color of my lips. It gives me a very natural look to my face. I always can dress it up. I can always dress it down. It looks so good with so many different makeup looks. Lasts such a long time, and I love the feel of it. It's creamy, but it's not shiny, but it's not matte and dry. It's the perfect in-between of everything, so I cannot recommend enough. And then if I had to choose one lip product to be stranded on an island with, it would be the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. Any color. It would not matter which color. I just happen to have cherry in front of me right now. I use the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balms every single day for everything, like just to hydrate my lips, keep them moisturized, give a little shine to me, help me feel good. Or even if I'm like going out and I have like a full beat on, I will put on a Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm to top off any lip look, and it always looks perfect every time. If you're looking for the perfect combo, Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut, Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Cherry. Thank me later. It is the best of the best combo. It looks amazing together and I just can't get enough. But yeah, guys, that is all. Those are all the products, I think. I hope I didn't miss anything. Comment and let me know if I did. But I think I covered every category. Those are the top products that I would use. The only products I would bring with me if I was stranded on an island somewhere and I could only bring one product from each category. So yeah, this was a lot of fun. I really had a good time picking these, and it was harder than I thought it was gonna be because I love a lot of products. So I was struggling a little bit, but these are it. So I hope you enjoyed. Comment, let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know what products you would choose if you were in that position. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.